So thanks for coming, really appreciate it. We're hoping to have our biggest output yet of seedlings this year. We have about capacity for 2,500 or so. So basically what we're going to do today, we're going to mix up dirt and vermiculite in a 50-50 ratio with a little bit of fertilizer. These are called plant bands, so this is where our seedlings are going to go. Some of you may have done this with refuge or other projects, but these are all 1.5 inches wide basically, and so once they're packed with dirt, you stick them in here and they fit 7 by 7 almost perfectly. So basically we get like 50 per crate, and that's how we can kind of figure out that we get about 2,500 seedlings on there. Basically we need to pack in the dirt into these. So the first little bit will pack really good. We've got several different kinds of sticks. These ones fit like perfectly in here. You can pack in, especially if you kind of fill up the whole tube, pack it in, and I'll show you on the first crate once we get everything mixed. We really want the bottom of the band to be packed in really well, because then when we go to move the crate, we set it down, the bottom will fall out of all of them. And so the key is to really have it, especially the bottom packed in, but the whole thing packed somewhat. Fill up a bunch of bands, pack them in, fill them up a little bit more, pack them in a little bit more, and then eventually we've got, a full crate worth. Will be about 1 inch from the top, and that last inch is just going to be straight peat moss basically. Then we may mix in a little bit of dirt actually, and that is to help keep moisture in there for the seed better. And so that's where we're going to eventually put the seed.